Recording.
I can't see it. We're going on a boat. We're on a boat to an island. Hello. I got a grass tie on it. Grass tight? Tight grass, brother.
Jo, det är absolut
I'm on a boat. And I'm still scared of drowning, but there's not much I can do now.
Yeah. I don't know if you can hear me, but this is the island that we see from the bridge. That's wibbly wobbly. We're on that island. You're right.
I'm ready. I look like I've been through hell and back. I mean, I technically have. My butthole got obliterated. Come on. Come on. No. Oh. Hey. It does look like an hourglass, doesn't it?
We've got it.
Is it playing? Yeah.
Yes.
Ready? 3, 2.
That was rubbish. Yeah, no. I need more. I don't want more. The deep.
Okay.
Make sure it's still recording. Ready?
Yeah.
Bloody hard when you've got the.
I think I got you. Hello.
Hola.
So how would you describe our 5-year anniversary?
Amazingness.
Usually it's 3 words.
Oh, amazingness. Amazingness. Amazingnessness.
I would describe it with Paul KFC and ice cream
Oh,
and alcohol.
ice cream might be 2 words, but I'll allow it.
The joint.
Vamos!
Vamos!